Tongariro is out here, and it truly is a multidisciplinary science expedition. So we have geologists and biologists and geochemists and oceanographers, and we have a full range of equipment to sample all matters of the ocean.
The Deep Towed Imaging System camera, the DTIS, is deployed by the crew and dropped down to the seafloor, and that has a still camera and a video camera, and that is towed along the seafloor for about an hour, sometimes 2-hour-long transects, recording everything that we see. We're sort of getting a presence-absence look at what is there and what's not there.
The multi-corer is a piece of gear that goes over the side of the ship with about 8 or 6 cores attached to it. So the idea is that it gets lowered down to the seafloor and the cores get pushed into the sediment, and we can take a sample of the sediment. The multi-corer is brought back on board and samples are taken from the cores for biogeochemical, biological and geological analyses.
It's 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, yeah.
The CTD stands for conductivity, temperature, depth, and it's a combination of water sampler and group of sensors that sample the entire water column, and we make stops at different depths to calibrate the sensors and also to collect really cool water samples that the scientists can use.
NIWA's autonomous underwater gliders get deployed from the Tongariro, and they're telling us about the biogeochemistry of the water here and its physical properties, so we can learn about the environment that the very bottom of the food chain has to exist in. For this particular trip, we were also counting up how many particles there were in the water and getting their size, and that's really important because we think that there might be an ash layer from the volcano, and this helps us understand where it is.